Welcome back to another exciting episode of our cooking adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet honey balls. This recipe is perfect for impressing your friends and family. Let's get started. Grab a mixing bowl. Make sure it's large enough to hold all our ingredients comfortably. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 eggs, and make sure to crack those eggs carefully to avoid any shell pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. Next, add 6 tablespoons of honey. The honey not only sweetens the dough but also adds a beautiful golden color. And don't forget 4 tablespoons of oil. This will keep our honey balls moist and tender. Add vegetable or sunflower oil. Now it's time to spice things up with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. This will add a warm, aromatic flavor that pairs perfectly with the honey. Stir everything together. We're aiming for a medium soft dough here, so gradually add flour as you mix. This will help you achieve the perfect texture. Keep going until you get that perfect dough consistency. It should be soft but not sticky, and easy to handle. Once your dough is ready, roll it into small balls. This size is perfect for baking evenly and creating bite-sized treats. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This will prevent them from sticking. Now we're ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 F. Make sure it's fully preheated before you put the honey balls in. Bake these little delights for about 10 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overbake. While they're baking, let's talk about the jam. This is an optional step, but it adds an extra layer of flavor and fun. You can use any jam you like, but I love using raspberry or apricot jam. It adds a sweet and slightly flavor that pairs perfectly with the honey balls. Plus, it makes them look even more appetizing. Once the balls are out of the oven and cooled a bit, stick them together in pairs using the jam. This makes them even softer and more delicious. And there you have it. Perfectly soft, sweet, and cinnamony honey balls. These are great for parties, snacks, or just a little treat for yourself. Give this recipe a try, and don't forget to hit subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!